Good afternoon, good morning. How are you doing? Hello, 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 hello. Come on. Good afternoon. Tell me where you're joining from. Super excited. It's another amazing day. You're welcome to Crypto. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Broadcasting live here from the office, Lagos, Nigeria. Good afternoon. Adekunle Adelabu, good afternoon. How are you doing? And how is Abeokuta today? Good to have you on here. Ola Lekan Samuel, good afternoon, sir, from Uyo. Hey, how are you doing, Sam? Good to have you on the call. Really excited. It's another day. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Welcome to another crypto session. My name is Maya Wolabi, African most sought after financial market coach. My goal is to help you to be able to take the right decision from my experience, having played in this industry for a while, so that it can help you, enhance you with your own research to be able to get the best for yourself. And I'm really pumped up about today's session because we are going to be talking about cryptocurrency and how we can leverage more and more in this space. So, if you are excited, you want to click on the like button, show some love. Thank you so much for joining. Oguntun Babatunji Ogunlusi, good afternoon. Where are you joining from today? Really excited. Let's go. Let's get. Thank you so much for liking. Omotayo Esho. Hey, sis, how are you doing? So guys, let's go, let's go, let's go. Zida is not fantastic. So let's go, let's go, let's go. And congratulations, the Ethereum merger as migration has been completed. And guys, it is time to begin to expect amazing speed from Ethereum network, from it moving from proof of work to proof of stake. And I'm really excited about that. And that really calls for celebration in the cryptocurrency space. Really, really pumped up about that. Okay. So as usual, we'll always start with the fundamentals. We'll talk about what is happening globally, what is happening globally. We're going to be talking about that as usual, and that can influence your decisions. And we're going to be good to go. One more time, you're welcome to Cryptocurrency Update with Maya Wolabi. This happens every Thursday, uh, 2 p.m. And people have been excited about the discovery so far during this session. So, what has happened? The Japanese university are ready to move into Terraverse, okay, which is possible. They want to build Buddhism on the Terraverse. So let's see how that works. Meta, which is Facebook, collapses on inflation. South African hard to pressure. Okay, so what has happened? Let's talk about um, Let's talk about the metaverse collapses on inflation. Inflation is everywhere right now, and you can't shy away from it. Okay, their stocks dropped because of the US CPI, and I think the United States just need to accept. Okay, they just need to accept that inflation has come to stay, and our amazing micro strategy company. I'm really excited about these guys. They are putting in, they are selling off their stocks to raise cash for to buy more Bitcoin. That's about $500 million that they want to raise to be able to buy more Bitcoin. Guys, you need to understand. See what they said here. They said, we intend to use the net proceed from this offering for general corporate purpose, including the acquisition of Bitcoin. These people are increasing their stakes on Bitcoin. And you might not understand the possibility right now. I give these people the next 5 years, the next 10 years. This company will be big, like big when it comes to investment. Okay, MicroStrategy is a leveraged bet on is a leveraged bet on Bitcoin, and the company has used this strategy previously to acquire large holding of digital assets. The latest report estimates MicroStrategy holds nearly 130,000 Bitcoin. How many Bitcoin do you have? A company is holding 130,000 Bitcoin. And on the average purchase of $30,000 per coin. So MicroStrategy took an impairment charge of $1 billion when it announced its last result on August 2. And I think that's one of the reasons the CEO is stepping down to do other things than to bring in more people to come in. So there's a lot of possibilities that these people are positioning themselves from, which is very, very good. So let's check out what has happened again. Near Foundation launches 100 million Web3 fund. I'm really big in Near Foundation. I'm just expecting this Near protocol to drop to below $3, $2, so that I can put in a lot of my funds in this space. That is not a financial advice. That is just my personal um, game plan. Okay, because what these guys are putting together is going to be um, is going to be aiming at the same delivery, even more delivery to what Ethereum has, okay? To what Ethereum has. BNB, Near Protocol, some of these major blockchain platforms, you need to make sure you have some amazing stakes in it as you take your decision. Okay, so Near has a plan to strengthen new protocols with seed rounds that could be as high as 100 million. Okay, so the Near protocol, the foundation said it would inject the largest chunk of its target fund with $50 million, which is very, very good. Okay, the CEO said our cultural passions for live sport, film, and music has historically been leveraged to on-ramp billions of consumers to the new technologies. What are they saying? They want to increase the entertainment, they want to increase their seed investment in this industry, the sport industry, the film industry, and the music industry, okay, which is very, very good. So they are positioning themselves to the next wave of genius, which is very good. So this is another reason why I'm going to be going really high on Near protocol. Okay, going to be going really deep on Near protocol. Theta launches on USDT launches on Near protocol blockchain. Can you see again? Hey, don't miss out on Near protocol. Okay. Nigerian blockchain firm closes 2 million pre-seed funding round, which is very good. Congratulations for them. This Bitcoin, when it broke past 21, is below 20,000 right now. And I'm going to talk more about what is possible when we go into the technical part of it. Okay? So, guys, that's what we have for the fundamental. Let's see what others have. Matthew said he's joining all the way from Lagos. Good to have you, Matthew. Okay, we also have Olagunju. Thank you for joining, Olagunju. Thank you for joining, Samuel. Okay, so having established all of this fundamental that has happened this week, let's go into the technical space and what we are expecting. Okay, as usual, we always start with Bitcoin because it's the father of the cryptocurrency space. Okay, so I told us last week that I was expecting a reversal. I was expecting a reversal on this. The reversal happened during the week at this flip zone, this drop-based rally that was destroyed. So immediately it got to 22,500. The market rejected at that zone. And what happened is because of the CPI. Okay, because the CPI report gave more reason for the USD to gain more strength, okay, which is consumer price index. And you will agree with me, a lot of items, a lot of consumable items in the United States has kept on increasing globally. And if that keeps increasing, it means that inflation is still coming in. Okay. And the last inflation data that was released is 8.1 or 8.2%. So that affected Bitcoin. And like I said, I strongly feel that Bitcoin will still sell more. Bitcoin will still sell more. I'm expecting Bitcoin to drop as low as 9,000. Okay, as low as 9,000. Anything below 9,000, that is where we're going to be buying Bitcoin. And like I told you earlier in the previous episodes, this will not come back again. Like the institutions want this to really drop, the same way they influenced US 30 and all of the rest. This can lead to 300,000, 500,000 worth of Bitcoin. So get ready for this real wave. I'm expectant. I'm expectant. The market needs to drop here. Okay, for those who have been following me on when it comes to technical analysis, this is the framework for this is the structural frame, and is bullish. So it means that we are only going to be buying anything below this place. So when the market falls back into this place, I will be glad to buy more Bitcoin, anything below 9,000. And when it gets to 9,000, I can tell you that that will be the right time. I and the people in our community will be buying. And from there, we're expecting it to go as far as 100,000, even as far as 150,000, 300,000, as the case may be. So we are ready for that. And for some of us that we are already leveraging on futures trading, let's check what we have on futures. Okay. Let's check what we have on futures. So what I did here is that I'm expecting this is just a flip zone. And the market pull up, it dropped on this zone. So I'm expecting more drop to continue since we had this flip zone at this 23,000. Okay, so let's go deeper to maybe like 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours. So if we can get reversal back into this zone, we'll be looking for more more sell. If not, the market will come and break this zone, then we can sell off at the break of this zone. For some of us that uses breakout strategy, but right now the frame that we have is a red flag. You can see that. You can see that flag. We broke out, and the market came back for a retest. So invariably, we're going to be expecting minimum something like this. Copy it. Okay, somewhere here. So that's what we expect the market. That's about 16,000. That's a short-term exit. Short-term exit will be about 16,000. Okay, but expect more data inside. Okay. I know some of you, when I said the market was going down, when the market started going up, you say, Mr. Mayowa is wrong. Yeah, I'm not proving, like I do tell you, I'm not proving I'm the best. I'm just sharing my view of the market. Okay. So when we're done with Ethereum, Bitcoin, we always check Ethereum. Did you guys got the Bitcoin view? Hey, Gerard from Canada. How you doing, my brother? Did you guys got that view for Bitcoin? Did you guys got that view for Bitcoin? Okay, fantastic. So Duma says yes, sir. Fantastic. Fantastic. So let's go deeper. 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 So Ethereum. The analysis has not changed. Okay. So it's currently on it rejected from this flip zone. And I've told you guys I'm expecting Ethereum to drop as low as 300. That's why I'm going to be buying Ethereum. Okay. Ethereum has never gone below that place when it came on the chart. So that's the first retracement we are having. This is the first retracement we are having on Ethereum. So what I see happen here is that if Ethereum can come to 300, we're going to be expecting Ethereum to go as far as 20,000. As far as 20,000, because when Bitcoin left 300, 500, it went as far as 18,000, 21,000. Then it retraced back to 4,000. Then from 4,000, it went to 69,000. So what I see happening here, this guy should drop below 3,000. Then from 300, sorry. Then from 300, we can move up as far as 20,000, and we're going to be good to go. But for the futures traders, those that are trading the sell part of the market, what do we have? So the market has been selling. So this market has been selling. So what do I see happen here? The same, we had a draw-based rally. The market broke out. Okay. It broke out. And from there, this was not a rejection. It was more of what happened because of the CPI. because of the CPI. So this should drop more, okay? Because it's in a sell range, sell frame structure. So it should sell more. And like I said, this should drop. And for some of you that you are flag trader, this is an impulse. This is a breakout of a flag. Okay, so that means that this guy should sell at least to 1,000 between now and next month. It should sell between now and next month. So I bought BNB, sold BNB. I sold BNB. So I sold BNB. I've given you my analysis on BNB before. So I'm expecting BNB to drop as low as $28. I know you don't like that part. I don't like it either. But this is just market structure, market behavior. Okay? We had this impulse from this low to this top. So this is the frame. This is the structural frame for BNB. You can see that this did not break above it, so it dropped below. So we need to see a retracement down here. Anything below $100, $50, I'm going to be looking at to sell, to hold my BNB sell. So, but this is I'm going to be buying BNB. But right now, we're not going to be buying BNB right now. So what I did was to sell. So we had this rejection here on this drop base rally. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Start the sell frame. So when the market did that, I added sell here. So currently I'm selling. I pull up my sell here. Okay, I've done over 143% of my investment. Okay. If it's $10, do the 140%. If it is $2,000 that I put in there, put the one. So any amount I put in, I've done 140. Let me see. As of yesterday, as of this morning, it was 146%. Okay, right now it's 136. Right now it's 136%. Okay, so I'm expecting that drop. I might hold it, okay? Not that I might hold it, I will hold it, not might. I will hold it. If I can hold it to this place, it will be a good one for us, for me, okay? So, but I strongly feel that between now and December, there should be more negative news. I could just take some profit and leave the rest to run. So that's my bias for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin. So if here I read index, the fear and greed index is on 28, which is at normal fear. Okay, and I've told us that one of the cheat codes is to come to the maximum part and let only buy when the market comes below 10. It's a very cheat code for the people in our community, but I've given it out to you guys. I might not repeat it again. Okay. So you don't buy anything above. As a matter of fact, whenever it's moving towards 80, you need to take profit. Okay. I've done it severally that I didn't take profit and I lost back all my profit. So when the market is around 80, 90, no matter how professional you are, that's the time to take profit. Okay. Take profits. Take profits. If you don't take profit, then you have to wait for the next cycle. Okay, those that did not take profit in 2009, 2019, sorry, they waited till March, April before the market picked up again and went to till 2000 January that gave us to 69,000. Okay, so if you don't come out when the market is above 80, 90, not come out but take profit. Everybody type in take profit. Let me see what you guys are typing. Type in take profit. So once you don't come out at those places, hey, good afternoon, sir, from Malabo, Equatorial Guinea. Hey, good to have you on. Good to have you on. I'm excited having you on. Okay, there was one of my portfolio that grew from less than $3,000 to about $49,000, about 50,000 US dollars. And I didn't take profit. The market returned back less than 13,000. It was around 13,000. I took some profits and I left it again. So you must learn to take profit. I know some of you are not technical analysis person, but when you put in money in a project, I tell you, and you are not taking profit, I remember 2020 when we called BCD, Bitcoin Diamond, and I told people that it's going to give us 1,000%. Some people were in when it got to 1,000%. A lady called me. I told her to take profit. The profit, thank God she took profit. Some people took profit. Some people felt it's a long-term project. They didn't take profit. Bitcoin Diamond came back as low as 100% profit from 1,000 over 1,000% profit. Okay, so you have to be deliberate. And I've seen, and that's one of the major challenge with crypto traders. They are futuristic people, but they don't take profit at all. You must take profit. You must take profit. If you don't know where to take profit, you use the greed. Whenever the market is above 80%, 90%, take your capital out. You can take half of your profit, use it to do things. Okay. After this Saturday, I'm going to be starting um, wealth creation series for the next 2 months. A lot of people are asking me as I make money from crypto, as I make money from crypto, from Forex, what do I do? Okay, so I want to start teaching you guys that starting from next Saturday. It's going to be a deep series. I'll be deep breathing in some deep stuff for you guys, so that so imagine a portfolio of 3,000 delivering about $49,000, and the owner of the project did not take profit. I had a lady that came in with $7,000. His portfolio grew as far as 40,000 US dollars, but she took profit. She's a very smart lady, you know. And that's one of the challenges that also for people that are really smart, like that are take profit for granted, you know, like me now. There's one of the cycle. I made so much money, but I didn't take profit. So sometimes I just leave it like that, and I'm waiting for the next 5 years, 10 years. But in between, take profits. You will come down again. You buy it when it's cheap again. Okay, show some love. Type in 777 if you guys are learning. If you guys are learning, type in 777. Before I go deeper again, can you click on the like button? Click on the like button, click on the share button. Click on the like button, click on the share button. Let's help other people to get this free of charge, okay? These are premium information I'm giving to you guys free. And the only way you can help us is to reach other people. So what is the side for the BU? What do you mean for BU? Michael, is it the side that I use to explain take profit? Thank you so much. Thank you. Get ready, oh guys. Well, transfer is happening now. Once inflation drops higher, go higher more, there will be. Okay, this is the site. This is the website. I'm sure you should be able to copy it. You can Google it. It's called Fear and Greed Index. Fear and Greed Index. So when it gets to 80, when it gets to 90, take some profit. Move the money into physical business. Okay? Move the money, buy property, move the money, buy real estate, move the money, start a business, buy and selling, or invest in somebody's business that you don't need to necessarily be there. That's how to do it. That's how to do it. Okay, having established that, the next one we're going to be going into is your questions. I'll be putting together, maybe in 2 weeks' time, I'll put together a training on futures trading. Will you be excited to attend? So I'll put together a training on futures trading. A lot of you okay, I'll put together futures trading, and I'll charge you people $1. I see a lot of you you're not harnessing that part because you don't know it. Okay, so I'll charge you guys $1 for that training. To access the training. The training should be $250 training, but I'll charge you $1. So we'll do it in 2 weeks' time. Olagudi says, I will be happy to be there, boss. Yeah. I'll charge you $1. It's going to be almost free, but I'll just give it for you guys for $1. So and if you can invite more people, you will get it for free. Daniel said, thanks for that. Gabriel said, thanks for that. Yeah, we'll do it. So we'll have a private session on that. That'll be great. Yeah, very great. Very great. Okay, so Gerard says, hello, sir. I'm wondering what is your suggestion buying position for Solana and EGLD? Solana. So let's go and check. Yes, I'll tell my team to put it together. So the landing page will be ready by Saturday so that you guys can register for it. So that you can, for some of us, some people love crypto naturally because they feel that it's more simpler than Forex. It doesn't take too many conditions to. So if you want to stay in crypto, you can actually stay in there. Okay. So let's go to Gerard's question. If I'm going to be putting my money in Solana, and EGLD, that's Algorand. No, that's not Algorand. Algorand is different from EGLD. So let's go check what would be my price. So if you want to, if I'm to put my money in EGLD, I think it's Algorand too. Sha. This guy have to come below 19 at this order block. That's about anything $20. That's where I'll be putting money. Anything below $21. That's where I'm going to be putting money. If you come to monthly time frame, you can see that the market, imagine somebody putting link on my channel. You don't have brain. No? I'm training people. Ali. How do I invite my colleague for the training? Yeah, we'll work on that. Okay, we'll work on that. We'll work on that. So my entry for EGLD, as a matter of fact, if I go by monthly zone, it's going to be around $11. $11. That's what I'm going to be looking for. But also, you have to confirm who are these people. I know it's a blockchain. No, I know it's a blockchain. So I know it's a blockchain. And I know it's a blockchain. Who are the people that owns this project? Who are the investors? Because apart from technical analysis, you have to also be sure it's a project you can hold for the next 10 years. Warren Buffett says if you cannot hold it for 10 years, don't hold it for 10 minutes. Okay? Was created in 2020. In 2 years, it has delivered, in 2 years, it has delivered 655%. I'm sure that's the retracement. But there was a particular time, at this point, 450, that's a lot. Okay, so you also want to check the investors. Who are the people that have their money in this project? Okay, invest fund focus on growing. So this is them. You can also use Mesari or Mesari, anyone if you're Hausa. Okay, so these are the top guys. You can see that Binance has money in this project, and what it means if Binance and KuCoin, Bitmart, if they have money in this project, it means that they've done their own background research. So these are the hidden sources of you taking decision in any project. Okay, these are major. Don't put money in a project because somebody say go and buy. Okay, your $100, your $500, your $1,000, is your hard-earned money. You want to put money in projects where the owners are known. I've taught you guys that one, where the owners are known. Okay. Okay, who are the investors? Wow, these are elders. Oh, AU21 Capital. Okay, they are elders. Neo Global, these are elders. Electric Capital, elders. Marvin 11, elders. So not because I'm the so these are then you check their tokenomics, the way they arrange their tokens. Okay, you have to check it. Okay, if the owners, what section do the owners have? Okay, okay, what section does the owners have? If the owners have more than 20% or more than 35% of the project, is a red flag. And you can see right here, 19% was allocated to private investors, very good. 25% were allocated for IEO, which is pre-sales. 7% was allocated to the reward of the ecosystem, good. 18%, but all those ones are English. Where are the owners? 19% was allocated to the founders and the core members for fasting for 42 months. Yes, Errand has my money. Okay, not your own money. This is like 4 of my checklist out of my 21 checklist. Okay, so Errand has my money. That means that the owners cannot run away with my money. They can't run away. Okay, and they cannot influence. Imagine if these people have 40%, 50% of the money. So it means that if they take a decision, the money can crash, the market can crash. But 19%, the market can crash. They even have 17% for reserve treasury, which is vested for 30 months. So, and even this 19%, it means that the owners, founders, they can't have access to their staking for 42 months. So they are, 42 months is 1 year, 2 months. That's 4 years, 2 months. So you see, that's a long-term project. And they are yet, how many years are they? They are just 2 years. So that means that the owners can only have access to their complete fund after 4 years, 2 months. Okay. So this is deep, guys. This is deep. So I can come on, guys, show some love now. Show some love now. Show some love now. Show some love now. Show some love. Yeah. Ah. So you have to check all of those things. So because it's more than technical analysis, okay? It's more than technical analysis. You want to make sure that you check who are the people behind, who are the people behind, what is their stake, can they run away with the project, have they run a project before that have succeeded, all those things you need to answer. If you can answer all of those things, it's just a matter of time, you will blow. It's just a matter of time, you will blow. You will blow. That's one of the secrets of Coca-Cola. When Warren Buffett was one when Warren Buffett was investing, okay, when Warren Buffett he so much believed in the project, so when other people were selling, he was not selling, he was just buying. So you have to get to that level. You have to get to that level when people are saying sell it, but you are saying no. I know the owners, I know where they do, I know how they arrange it, I know how they arrange the tokenomics, I know their project that they've run before, I know the other companies that have invested into it. So by the time you know those things, even if the chart is going down, you will not sell your portfolio. The reason why a lot of people sell their portfolio when they are negative is because they don't have enough information to hold on when there's turbulence. Okay, Baba Femi says, wow. Yeah, I'm just trying. Gerard says, yeah, market fire. Olu Oluwafemi says, Oluwamiero. Matthew said, thank you, coach. Baba Femi Johnson, I came in late. Which coin just talked about? I talked about Erand, ELGD or EGLD, Erand. Sir, how do I get access to your checklist? I don't mind. You are in the premium group now, right? You are in the premium group. You are in the Midas Crypto Vault now. It's free now. Send a mail to the admin. She will give you, it's 5,000 naira for it. You have access to it free. You don't need to pay for it. It's free. Wow, first class avenue, here I come. Okay, so Gerard, you are in the paid group, so reach out to the admin that you need access to the 21 checklist. So she gives you access. I'm doing the recording for it too, so you're also going to have access to that. Those are the things that your $1,500 covers. Okay, guys, so we've done justice to that. We've done justice to that. The next one you spoke about, I think, is Solana. Let's check Solana. Solana. So I'm technically speaking, that is where we are buying EGLD. We are buying it around anything below $20. That's for technical analysis. But fundamental wise is one that makes our money stable. Technical is not enough to trade chart and say, it's coming down when it comes to investment. Okay. When it comes to trading, chart will work. Okay. But when it comes to investment, because of its long term, you have to consider fundamentals. So let's go check Solana. Solana is around 32, 33 right now. I strongly feel Solana is coming to $3. I know some people don't like me for all this projection. No matter you are wicked. It's not my fault. It's not, and it's also it's just analysis. So if you did not get there, don't say, like I do tell you, I'm not here to prove to you. I'm here to help the people to take the right decision. I'm just contributing to the industry. Okay, I'm not here to show you, and my past results have shown that I know it. So that's why I'm sharing. Okay, so I feel that Solana should come to $4. Anything below $4, we're going to be good. I don't like it. I don't want it to come that low, but this is what we have seen over the time. Okay, so the CPI made it to reject here. Two things could happen. If it can come up here, that's where I'll be looking for a better sell. But if it doesn't come up there, I think I won't do anything right now. I won't do anything. I still feel it should come up. But if it breaks up into this place, I'll be looking for a sell. For some of you that are in the Forex group, we have the ITC entry. Okay. Yeah, so we'll sell off from that 46. We'll hold the sell from that 46 downward. But that will be futures trading, no, not sports trading, futures trading. So, but where I'm going to be buying Solana, if I'm going to put my money in, is anything below $5. That's the only place I'll be buying Solana. Okay. Two more analyses to share. Michael says, how can I have access to the checklist? Chat up with the number on the screen. She will give you the link. You can buy it. Chat up with the number on the screen. I think it's 5,000 naira. You can buy it there. But I'm even creating a course for it. So if you buy the course and the book, I think it's less than $100. I'm creating a course for it. I prefer the course for people. Okay, so let's check another analysis. We have 4. We have done 2. So another person says, please, boss, what's your take on ICP? My take, where to buy it, or my take as a fundamental. I won't say a project is good or bad. And if you have been following me, you would have been seeing my sir, is the course for beginners. Yeah. Okay. Olatomiwa says where to buy. Where to buy. So let's go check quick. ICP. All these charts that have entered the relegation is fundamental that can make me buy these ones. A lot of people have bought this project, but this project have not experienced bull run. Okay, let me see when it was created. ICP. When was it created? I think it's 2001 and 2021. Sorry. Because there are some projects that they are good projects, but they were launched at a very wrong time. So I think ICP should be a very good project. We not have time to go through all those checklists again, but for you that already understand it, you can check it yourself. The project was founded 2016. Joe. Okay, but in 2021, May 10. So this guy have not seen any bull run. I think in the next bull run, this guy should skyrocket. He should skyrocket in the next bull run. Okay, so it's fundamental that will drive these guys. If they are good project, then it should be good for the next bull run. So if I want to buy, because it doesn't have a structure, there's no way I can tell you where to buy. So what I do as a cheat code, I can't open that one here. Don't worry, but it's not. Maybe just allow it to come deeper. Just allow it to come deeper. Just allow it to come deeper. But sincerely, it's not. Has not gone through any bull run before. It was launched during the downtime, and imagine people bought at $500, over $500. As a matter of fact, it went as far as where 2,800. People are in negative. People are in negative. But I think the next bull run should have a good swing. Okay? I think the next bull run should have a good swing. Is that clear? So right now, because this is fundamental purchase now, it's not no technical, no TA at all. No TA. Anifowoshe says, what's your take on PI with so many news you can trust? Sir, we need your expertise on it, or can you just educate us on it, or anything to say about the project? Pi network. I like to run away. I like to sidestep these kind of things, but I will say it because of my audience, okay? You can't trust them. Okay. Number one, okay. One of the things I try not to do in this industry is to say a project cannot work. However, when a project takes a pattern, that pattern always, if that pattern always ends negative, I will tell you straight that that pattern, not that the project, but the pattern. So if you go to that PI network, a lot of people have been talking about this project, and I try not to talk about it. Now, where is this? Should I talk? Okay, now let's talk. Now, number one, it doesn't meet my criteria. It doesn't meet my 21 checklist. It's not even in one, it doesn't meet one of them. It doesn't meet one of them. It doesn't meet one of them. So for me, it's no-go area. For me, it's a no-go area. There are certain questions you want to talk about before putting your money in a project. Number one of them is, who is the owner of this project? Number two, who are the team working with the owner of this project? Number three, who are the investors that have put their money in this project? Number five, these people that are investors, which project have they successfully run before? Some people are just using people's money to test run. I can't work hard. I work round the clock, guys. I work an average of between 13 to 17 hours. I can't work hard that way and I make $1,000 and I go and put it in a project that cannot give me basic information. So, but when you see a project that is packaged outside of those questions, so what they now try to do is they put referral around it, that the more you refer, they use bonuses, commission to drive it. So when they use bonus commission to drive it, I call those investment complex risk investment. What's a complex risk investment? Complex risk investment is an investment that is driven by community and anything can happen. is more riskier than high risk. When it is complex risk, they will be promising you high return. There are a lot of them outside. So they use packaging, network marketing, referral, which are good to drive a business. But that should not be the reason behind the project. That should not be the reason behind the project. And once you do that, so once you do that to drive your business, to drive a project, is a no area for me. But if they can answer the owner, the project, the people, community around it, and all of those, then we are good. Then when they now add referral, then you see me, I'll be there. I'll be there. But those basic, I want to know the owner, I want to know where the project they have worked before. I want to see basic investors, people that will put money. Imagine Binance putting money in that kind of project. It means that Binance has seen something inside it. Because see, you want to let everybody type in leverage. Everybody, let's go right now. Type in leverage. Type in leverage. Before, come on, let's go right now. Before you will put your money in any project, you also want to see who are the people. That's the word leverage. Leverage means that, oh, I don't have the resources, I don't have the resources to do research that will make me put my money in this project, but who are the top brands that have invested in that project that can make me put my money in? So what they now do is that they use network marketing to push those things to influencers. So influencers will now put their money in, will not put their money, but they will earn their reward though, and they will now drive it. So I think I've said enough. Remember, I've not said that the project is not working. I've not said that the project will fail. Good. But I've said one or two things that will make you decide. So if that sort project is what you now want to put your money in, what you will now do is what you will now do in most cases is that you will classify it as a 10% area, as a 10% area. So it's a 10%. It means that your portfolio should not have more than that. Anything comes with your should not have more than 10%. Some of you, your portfolio is full of meme coin. Your portfolio is full of projects that people mention on YouTube. No, your project portfolio. Let's round up with this. What's your take on MCRT? My take on the project, my take on when to buy, which of them? Mr. Adelabu. My take on which of them? Let's go and check. But I want to be sure. MCRT. We have so many projects, guys. So many projects. And we have not seen anything. The next bull run, the whole project can rise to maybe 15,000. Because right now we have close to over 7,000 right now. You have to be very I think this MCRT is a new project, even on the data. We only have Fadelabi is saying where to buy. So there is no enough data, and because there is no enough data, I can't tell you where to buy. Let's go there. FCRT. This was launched last week, and that launch produced about 800%, which is good. So wait for it to drop lower. If you believe in the project before you buy, you can use Fibonacci. You can use Fibonacci, okay, and you buy anything below 78.6. But if you believe in the project, or if you don't believe in it, stay away. Okay. Uh, Profit Junior says, can I begin trading without physical coaching but online? Yes. 80% of my students are online. Even 90%. People rarely come to the office. But we have the office. We have a training hall. We have all of those things. So you can just chat up with the number, scrolling on the screen so that she will get you started. Profit Junior. Okay. So Justus says, please, what's your take on Shih Tzu project? Shih Tzu project sounds like a meme coin. I have so many meme coin already. I can't increase my meme coin, but if it's good for you, check it. Meme coin should not have more than 10% of your portfolio. Okay. Or if you're talking about where to buy, but when you say what's your take on the project, I is meme coin. I'm less of it. Less of it. There are too many now. There were too many. There are too many. So how do you differentiate between meme coin? Meme coin number one is driven by community, no utility. It is when it is being driven by community, then the community begin to recommend utility development. So for example, Dodge or community. Shiba Inu, when Shiba Inu started, Shiba Inu did not have a project. But right now, there's Shiba Inu swap, Shiba swap, there is other project Bone, all of those projects under Shiba right now. So the community have now so basically then real project they have use case and the rest. Okay. We can't check Algorand today. We'll talk about it next session. The time is up. What's the best app for trading? Binance, KuCoin, those are the two. Okay. Thank you so much. I'm sure I'll be able to help you guys today. See you guys on Saturday. Okay, on Saturday we'll talk about the five, the five battle every trader must win, which is the question and answer. Okay, we'll round that up on Saturday. Then we'll take it off from there. Okay, so what will you say to my team? If you have not shared the video, click on the share button. Help other people to see this video. I'll see you guys on Saturday. And on Crypto Matters, we'll see you again next week, Thursday, same time next week. I look forward to your success. My name remains Miles Owolabi. Have a pleasant evening, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out, guys.